Do you consider yourself a startup geek? Do you ever wonder what it was that made previous firms so successful? Do you have a thought that won't leave your head, but you're waiting for the right time to act on it before you can make it a reality? If you've had aha moment and are wondering what to do next, including whether to build a mobile app or a web app, you've come to the correct place. Here, we'll outline the procedures that may help you make it and are essential to launching and maintaining a successful company in the mobile app sector. A startup app development solution is essential for every growing company in today's digital age. People spend so much time in front of screens that it's no wonder. As internet users, we are well aware of the abundance of mobile applications available on both the Play Store and the App Store, including several business, lifestyle, educational, and on-demand apps. However, it is also important to understand early on that only a select few applications become viral hits. Few businesses attempt to go it alone and succeed, and most entrepreneurs make the same blunders, according to the literature. The first thing you should do when starting a business is to assess the situation thoroughly. 1. Think it over, brainstorm, take a break, and reevaluate. We get that it's tempting to just let your imagination run wild, but before you go in head first, it's important to consider all of your options. Organize your thoughts by writing down every possibility. It not only sheds light on the situation, but also helps you make an informed decision on which option to pursue. Whether you are unsure of the concept's potential success, it is a good idea to run it by respected professionals to see if they find it compelling. If you want to make sure your mobile app idea is sound, a product discovery workshop is one method used by top consultants. Numerous thriving businesses owe their beginnings to the 5-day program. Another piece of advice is to think beyond the box. Realize that there is always room for development and that the act of ideation itself may provide unexpected results. Once you've settled on a direction, it's important to learn all you can about the problem you're trying to solve. After all, you're one of the most successful businesses because your original concept really addresses a need. So now we're ready to go on to stage 2. 2. Focused market analysis. Even if you have a groundbreaking concept that might completely revolutionize the mobile app business, you will not be successful until you first undertake extensive market research and identify your ideal customers. To successfully manage a business, you must first learn the market and determine your product's niche. Even if what you're doing isn't very novel, you need to carve yourself a niche in the market by focusing on addressing genuine consumer concerns. Research the market and check out the competition. Get several applications that address comparable problems, try them out, and see where the slack is. Try to find the reasons why certain applications succeeded while others did not. Why? Because doing so guarantees success, and because it is common practice in the startup community to gain insight from the failures of others. You can uncover your niche and stay light years ahead of the competition with some in-depth market research. In addition, surveys of users should be carried out throughout the planning phase to learn about their demographics and level of interest. Learning about the preferences of the intended consumers is essential to developing a successful product. Don't lose sight of your target demographic. User interaction is the key to success. 3. Make the most of the perfect medium. The next stage in creating a mobile app is selecting a suitable platform. There are a few things to think about when deciding if your software will support Android, iOS, or both. Finding the right mobile platform for your company is all about knowing your audience and how they want to interact with your app. As of the third quarter of 2019, Statista reported that the Google Play Store included 2.47 million applications, while the Apple App Store featured about 1.8 million. This is what makes Google Play the most comprehensive app store. Considerations such as Android's and iOS market shares and income potential can help you pick a platform with a good chance of success. No judgment could be reached without first gaining a thorough familiarity with the various app shops. You should think about the revenue models and download numbers for both app shops. Another consideration is whether to use native or hybrid applications. Both have their advantages and disadvantages, which depend on a variety of criteria such as technical complexity, usefulness, price, and implementation time. 4. Create a perfect user interface and user experience. There is a strong correlation between the quality of the application's design and the success of the company. You can pick up any popular app like Instagram, Canva, or Telegram, and you'll discover that they all include intuitive design. When it comes to UI/UX design, aesthetics aren't everything. The application's functionality and usability are also key considerations. The guidelines for Google's material design and Apple's human interface standards should also be adhered to. Pinventive's UI/UX design principles not only adhere to best practices but also address pressing issues like increased discovery, engagement, and retention.